Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Nana.
Please be seated.
Yes, sir.
In our class today, we will be building our vocabulary using context clues. But first, why do we need to learn vocabulary? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Zona.
We need to study vocabulary for us to improve our language skills and also for us to understand the text better. That's it.
Okay, very good. Let's give her a round of applause. But today's lesson will be different because we will be using ICT tools like interactive vocabulary apps, online dictionaries, and collaborative platforms. These tools will make the learning process more engaging and fun. Does that sound exciting?
Yes,
Okay, if you are really excited, can you stamp your feet twice? Great! Our goal for today is to identify and define new vocabulary words using context clues. We'll use apps and online dictionaries, platforms, and work together in digital platforms. But before that, let us know our topic more. Let us know what is context clues and their examples. So, let's begin our discussion. I will be showing you a YouTube video discussing the context clues and their examples. Are you excited?
Yes,
Okay, so let's watch this video. So what is our lesson for today?
building vocabulary using context clues.
Yes. So here are the three learning objectives that you are expected to meet after the class discussion. So let's read the first objective. Miss Ivan.
Students will identify and define new vocabulary words using context clues.
Okay. How about the second one? Miss Taneo.
Students will engage with interactive vocabulary building games and apps.
Okay. And the last one, Mr. Alexis.
Students will collaborate through a shared digital platform for offline learning and vocabulary research.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so let us have our summary of our class discussion for our topic for today. So, first, what is definition clues again?
Sir,
Yes, Miss M.M.
definition clues, sir, kay it is to define words after using it.
Very good. How about synonym clues?
Sir,
Yes, Miss Zona.
synonym, sir, kay kanang same siya, another word or similar word siya sa atong new word.
Great. How about example clues?
Sir,
Yes, Mr. Alexis.
so you can use example clues to add context, sir, to better understand that.
Great. How about contrast clues?
Sir,
Yes, Miss Ivan.
context clues are like you can determine the meaning of an unknown word from an antonym or a phrases.
Okay, very good. Okay, for the last one. How about the inference clues?
Sir,
Yes, Mr. Romy.
inference clues, sir, is used to figure out the meaning of an unknown word by using logical and reasoning skills.
Okay. So class, I think and I see that it is very evident that you already know about context clues and their examples. So I think you are prepared for our next activities. Are you all excited about your activities?
Yes, sir!
Okay, let's begin your activity. Okay, class, so before we proceed to our activity, I will be introducing to you the apps that we will be using to our activity. So first, are you familiar with these apps? The Mentimeter, the Merriam-Webster, and Google Docs. Who among you here are familiar with these apps? Raise your hand. Okay, so now, why are you familiar with these apps?
I'm familiar with many, I got three apps sir, because we encountered them in our elementary.
Okay, very good. So it is good to introduce to you these apps because some of you are not familiar with these apps so far. So in this class, I will be allowing you to use your gadgets, your phones, as long as the limitation is for this activity purposes only. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, let us know what is Mentimeter. So Mentimeter is an online presentation building tool that facilitates audience engagement. The tool allows presenters to include polls, multiple choice, and open-ended questions, quizzes, and scales that audience members may interact with live. So this is a site that you can find in your Google Chrome. So next, everyone read, what is Merriam-Webster?
Consumers use the service to access definitions, spelling, and synonyms of words. Services also include Merriam-Webster World Debate and the Owner Dictionary, a wiki service that provides subscribers with the ability to create and read their own new words and definitions.
Okay. So for the next app is the Google Docs. It is an online word processor that lets you create and format documents and work with other people. So let's delve more into these apps. And while we are using this in our activities, please look at your phones or gadgets. And I know that you are connected with our school's Wi-Fi, right?
Yes,
The internet connection is not a problem for us. So let's start. I think everyone is ready, and as well as your gadget and your connection, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So let's start our first activity, and please open your Google Chrome.
Done na, sir.
Yes, done, very good. And then search for Mentimeter. You can look at in our board for the tutorial. So just search mentimeter.com. After that, just enter and wait for to reload. Okay, and after, did you guys follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to home. And that's it. I will be dictating here the code for this Mentimeter and for this activity. Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, you can type this code in your Mentimeter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the code is 1176 1127. I'll repeat 1176 and 1127.
Click naman ang join.
Just click join so that you can enter and join the activity. Okay, so if you already entered the code, this is what will you see in your screen.
Yes, sir.
Are we on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start your activity. And by the way, this is related to the context clues and their examples as what we discussed a while ago. So the first is the bog, a swampy and muddy area that made walking difficult. Okay, you will be selecting in the lower portion of your screen in your answer. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Is everyone done?
Yes.
Okay. Next. They soon realized that the parade or ground was for more teachers than they had expected. This will just serve as the summary activity for our discussion a while ago. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, great. Next. Unlike the smooth, solid paths they had trained on, this land was unstable and shifting beneath their feet. Is it definition clues, synonym clues, contrast clues, or example clues? Done? Every time you are done with answering the question, please say done.
Done.
Answer.
Okay, thank you. Next, as they progressed, they came across some unique plants, including succulents like cacti and aloe vera, which stored water in their thick leaves. What is it? What kind of clues is that? Mind your own business, class. Is it hard?
Okay, register.
We'll be used to it. Done?
Answer.
Next. Just say done if you are already done answering.
Answer.
How about the others?
Done.
Okay, great. Next. Next. Just say done if you are already done answering. Done?
Done.
Okay. The plants thrive in the arid desert climate, where rainfall was rare and the sun relentlessly beat down on the dry earth. Done?
Done.
Okay. Okay, so that's the end of our activity. So let's review your answers if you got the correct answers. Okay? So from the question item number one, item, the plants thrive in the arid desert climate where rainfall was rare and the sun relentlessly beat down on the dry earth. There are response, dry, rare, arid, can plant, and dry. So what's the good thing in Mentimeter is that all the participants are anonymous. So it means your name will not be put in the screen or your information. So now let us check your answer if it's correct. Okay, so there are some who answer inference clues, definition clues, contrast clues, and there is zero answer for synonym clues. So let's check if it's correct. Okay, and the correct answer is
Inference.
clues. Okay. Who got it right? Okay, that's great. Stop. Okay, since we are already done with the first activity and we already encountered and you already familiar and familiar words that we encountered during our activity, we will now know what is the correct or the real definition of those unfamiliar words. No? So please still open your Google Chrome and search into your browser Merriam-Webster. So just follow the what is projected in the screen. Merriam-Webster. Done?
Yes,
Okay. So just click that link. Okay, our connection is so fast.
Connectioning.
It's actually not giving. Okay. Okay. So the first word to enter is the word bog. It's B-O-G. Bog. Okay? Okay. Did anyone already enter the word bog?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Miss Ivan, what is the real definition of bog? Or the definition of bog?
So, a bog is a poorly drained, usually acid area rich in accumulated plant material, frequently surrounding a body of open water and having apparent characteristics.
Okay, very good. So that's the definition of bog. Next word is the word terrain. The word terrain. Are you done entering it? Okay, Miss Zona, what is the definition of terrain?
Terrain, it is a geographic area and it is a piece of land or ground.
Okay, very good. So the next word is unstable. Unstable.
And
Okay. Miss MM, what is the definition of unstable?
not steady in action or movement.
Okay, not steady. Okay. Next word is succulent. Succulent spelled S-U-C-C-U-L-E-N-T-S. Succulent. Okay, Mr. Alexis, what is the definition of succulent?
Definition of the succulent, sir, is moist and tasty. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So next is the word, the last but not the least, the word arid. E-R-I-D. E-R-I-D. Okay. Mr. Romy, what is the definition of arid?
So the definition of arid is excessively dry or having insufficient rainfall to support agriculture.
Okay. So now we are done with the searching of those unfamiliar words, and we already know the meaning of those unfamiliar words. So now, I think you already know how to use properly the Merriam-Webster and the Mentimeter site. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it fun? Is it accessible for you to use these apps?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's right, Zona. We can actually use this in our future classes or in your future endeavors. So let's proceed. Okay, so for our last activity, we'll be I will be teaching you how to open a Google Docs. So please have your phones and open to your Google Chrome. And then just follow what I did here in the screen. Okay. Open Google Docs. And I will be sending the link. I will be sending the link in our classroom GC so that you can access the link that I prepared for you. So next we will be opening the blank document. Okay. Are you still following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's change first the name of this document. Activity. Okay. Activity. Okay. Next, stay updated in your GC so that because I will be sending this after this one. Share. Share with others. Let's change the general access into anyone with link and viewer to editor. I will copy the link and it's ready to be sent in our GC. And okay, so what will you do in that link is that you will be answering there and use the unfamiliar words that we searched in our Merriam-Webster a while ago. The word bog, terrain, and stable, succulent, and arid, and use it in a sentence. But first, we will divide the class into two groups. So since we have 6 in the group in our class, so we will have 3 members in each group. So you have the freedom to choose your groups. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Choose your group. And form a circle. Are you already in your group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so class I here for more instruction. I will be putting here the word that you will be using in a sentence, and then each group will use the word in a sentence. Okay, don't worry, I will be monitoring your answers here so that I can make sure that you are not using your what? Or you are not using the Merriam-Webster or any site in Google Chrome. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Your own understanding based on our discussion a while ago about context clues. And these activities are interconnected. Okay, so the first word is the word bug.
Sir,
Yes?
one sentence, sir.
Yes,
no,
yes.
per-
One word, one sentence.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You may now start answering, and I will be monitoring your answers here, and I will be giving you 5 minutes only to complete the task. Collaborate with your groups, brainstorm with your groups.
I'm stuck the even. The bar.
Okay.
The bar got stuck in the wall.
Internet.
The bar got stuck.
4 minutes left. Please don't use AI. Please use your own understanding about those words.
The network here, the network,
Here is unstable.
she is emotionally unstable.
Okay.
The network is after network.
MS with Awan. MS with Awan.
Juicy? Juicy ba? Like, what is the,
The diamond candle is the possible.
like, this one's already.
2 minutes left.
I will just Step is naturally was what is good practical for
Are you done?
Done na, sir. Group 2.
Not yet, sir.
everybody eating something that good. The family is eating. Is okay, singular na.
Okay, I see that group 2 is already done.
Yes, sir.
How about the group 1?
Not yet, sir.
Continue. 1 minute left.
I fun, very honest.
Time's up. Okay, very good. You finish on time. Stop. Okay. I think everyone is done answering, and okay, let's check your work. For group 1, they got perfect, and for group 2, they got also perfect. Okay, class, you may now return to your seat. Okay, so did we learn something from our class discussion?
Yes, sir.
Did you enjoy our activities?
Yes,
Are you sure?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so ICT tools like vocabulary apps, online dictionaries, and collaborative documents can help us students or teachers enhance vocabulary building skills, right?
Yes, sir.
So the main focus is on making vocabulary or any lesson learning interactive, fun, collaborative with student engaging in self-directed learning and peer collaboration through digital platforms. So this is the essence why we are integrating ICT tools in our class discussion nowadays, especially if we are a 21st century learners, right? You are a 21st century learners. Agree?
Yes.
So these tools can help you in your future endeavors in your classes to make it more fun, easy, and collaborative and engaging at the same time. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we're running out of time. So we'll see you tomorrow for our next class discussion and class activities. So are we still good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the end of our discussion. Let's put in the day, everyone. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay, goodbye. Take care. God bless.